We established Papuni Boxing Ōtautahi in 2021 with the purpose of working with tamariki and rangatahi in our community and having great mentors to help shape the way that I'm able to do things now. A lot of those guys, those old mentors I hold quite closely. A lot of their teachings has allowed me to do what I am able to do today with our youth.
We always had this dream of, after his boxing career, to go into the coaching side of things. So yeah, it was a bit scary kind of doing that leap. Being really lucky with a lot of the whānau support. To make it happen and starting to fall into place.
I'm here today just to compete, be amongst like these boys and girls that are here in this gym, building with each other, and yeah.
I'm here just to get better, more confident and mentally tougher and compete and try and get NZ champion.
My goal is just to just help everyone at this gym and build them up, help them improve their skills and that.
Yeah, making Canterbury team, NZ champ, and helping the little ones here.
Our kaupapa is to ensure a safe and warm place, and whether they stay short time or long time, that they take something away with them, that they can remember that, hey, this place here was awesome, and man, those coaches, I learned something from that person, from whatever that term, that session, that year. So a lot of our values in that is centred around te whare tapawhā, and when we talk about the whare, that framework, we like to work as a whānau, and our whānau is everyone that does come into our spaces, we're accountable to each other.
I noticed with families coming in and young boys coming in, it was a safe space to come and learn a new skill, come and enjoy it. Fellowship was a big thing. There were guys that knew each other as a group, but then we had little clusters of guys that didn't really know anyone, but sort of came in, enjoyed that environment, enjoyed the atmosphere. It's quite unnatural because we're asking young men to sort of jump into a ring and get into combat, which is quite physical and quite scary, but they embraced it, and I think that kind of speaks volumes in regards to how safe they feel in this environment and the vibe that Reece and Josh and the other trainers create.
We are very thankful for the funding from Te Puitaitanga, as it's allowed us to have a space where rangatahi and tamariki can come into and feel proud to be a part of. It's allowed us to have the equipment that we need. The funding has allowed us to have a first-class gym. For what we do have has really exceeded my expectations of what I really envisioned at the start.